Click the bell icon and subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any classes.
Hello, welcome to class. Now, in the previous class, we have discussed completely the stages of meiosis and division and the various terms associated with this. And we shall discuss now the significance of meiosis. The very first significance of meiosis is formation of gametes. Formation of gametes. In case of sexually reproducing organisms, it may be plants or it may be animals, there is a formation of gametes. For example, sperm, ovum, and in case of plants, there is formation of ovules, pollens, and all of them are formed upon meiotic cell division. That is the very first significance of meiosis. And formation of spores. Formation of spores. That is, in case of plants, especially the thallophytes, the plants which are exhibiting alternation of generation, there is involvement of spore formation, and the spore formation is a result of meiosis. And maintenance of chromosome number over generations. Chromosome number over generations. That is, if you imagine that we are having 46 number of chromosomes, that is, human beings are having 46 number of chromosomes. Say for example, male having 46 number of chromosomes, female having 46 number of chromosomes. And upon meiotic cell division, the chromosomes number is reduced to half. The number of chromosomes is reduced to half. This is only because of meiosis. And this number of chromosomes should be restored in the next generation. This is first generation, say for example. And in the next generation, same number of chromosomes should be restored. And that restoration of chromosome number will take place by fertilization. After fertilization, the number of chromosomes will again be 46. Suppose, just imagine when there is no meiosis, the number of chromosomes will be 46 here. The number of chromosomes will be 46 here. After fertilization, what will be the number of chromosomes? Is the number of chromosomes carried as such over the generation? No. The number of chromosomes will be carried same over the generations is because of only the meiotic cell division. And one more very important significance of meiosis is creation of variations. Creation of variations. That is, if we observe two generations, just imagine you observe your father and mother and you or your sibling. Both the generations are having quite different characters. Even though we are received the same chromosomes from our father and mother, we will be appearing quite different. Yes or no? Yes, of course we are appearing quite different from our siblings also, except in a homozygotic twins. In all other cases, the appearance of the siblings will be different. This difference is because of the creation of variations. The variations in the characteristics will happen because of the meiosis. When these variations happen, the variations will happen during the crossing over. In prophase 1, there is an exchange of genetic material between the maternal and paternal chromosome. At that time, the characters will reshuffle or there is a change in the characteristics. And the variations may occur during the separation of chromosomes. Separation of chromosomes in anaphase. Anaphase 1. We call it as chromosomal disjunction. Chromosomal disjunction. If the chromosomal disjunction will not happen properly, that is, from the center, the chromosomes are moving to the opposite poles, right? If this movement is not proper, here less number of chromosome, here more number of chromosome, then it will result in some other characteristics that we will be studying in the genetics, where there is a difference in the number of chromosome which results in the different diseases, disorders also. So these are the places where there is a chances for the variation. And the final significance is mutation. Mutation, there is a change in the DNA sequence or in the gene sequence may happen, and this mutation may lead to the new characteristics, new characters. Sometimes we will appear very different from the parents. It may be because of the mutations which are taking place, and the mutations may be advantageous. In case of plants, we can study it very easily. If there is the appearance of new character, the new character may be advantageous or it may be disadvantageous. Okay, so that's all about the significance of meiosis and the total chapter cell cycle and cell division. We should take up the other chapter from the next class.